welcome back to Kylie Hedgehog's video channel, Hedgehog fans. Today we're gonna make a burrito, a homemade one, yeah. And Kylie Hedgehog's here. She wants to say hi. Hey, Hedgehog fans! Yep, she said hi. And now, if you're allergic to beans and you just want to put one topping in your burrito, I mean like the filling in your burrito, it's up to you. You can make this special recipe of a burrito. So you need to follow the ingredients now. First, you need a tortilla, like we usually do as a burrito. And then you fold it halfway through, like not the whole halfway, just like that. And then you fold it like this. And then you fold it the same way on the other side. And then, see that hole? That's where we're gonna put our filling. Okay, so our filling is, our just one filling, if it's up to you, is corn. This is the main ingredient. No. I got some corn on the plate. Luckily it didn't get on the table or the floor. That'd be a mess. Okay, so we're almost done with our burrito. You put a little bit more until it's almost completely full. You don't need too much in your spoon, as a spoonful, because like it might spill out, and you don't want to fill it in too much. Okay, that's our burrito. Okay, now let's try. Kind of hard. The tortilla tastes good. I think it's my favorite kind. Okay, Hedgehog fans, I found out this is my favorite kind of tortilla. It actually was. Let's try it out. The corn. Got some on the plate. That is actually good. I've got to save some tortilla for this. Wait. There. Okay. So, save some corn. This is my really favorite kind of tortilla. Add some other ones. They weren't my favorite kind, but this is my favorite. There are like two slices of not my favorite, and there are two slices of my favorite. It's really good. Hey, Hedgehog fans. You can make this kind of easy recipe too if you have tortillas and canned corn. Yeah, you can try it if you have canned corn and tortillas. Yeah. Hedgehog fans, You can follow this simple recipe. And I hope you make some too. I hope you make this kind of easy burritos if you want to. And you're allergic to beans or not. Anyway, see you in the next video, Hedgehog fans. Bye!